2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport 2. The legendary Toyota Hilux reaches new heights of performance, ride comfort, and imposing appearance with the Hilux GR Sport 2, which will arrive at retailers in the second half of 2024. Building on its multiple Dakar Rally winning heritage, the Hilux GR Sport 2 achieves a new pinnacle for Toyota's pioneering pickup, which has earned an unrivaled reputation for durability or reliability since its arrival in 1968. The double-cab Hilux GR Sport 2 delivers a powerful combination of enhanced handling and stability, with best-in-class towing, 3,500 kg, and payload, 1,000 kg, capacity allied to an assertive design evolution. It stands out from the crowd, wherever the spirit of adventure takes it. The second GR Sport Model Edition features an increase in tread, the lateral distance between the wheels, which is expanded by 140 mm at the front and 155 mm at the rear compared to the standard Toyota Hilux. This creates a confidence-inspiring ride even in adverse weather or road conditions. The Toyota Hilux GR Sport 2 is the best driving Hilux ever, on and off-road, thanks to that wider tread and significant improvements in handling characteristics, such as increased vehicle stability through reduced roll angle, and a precise steering response. Optimized handling ensures a sure-footed drive with reduced vibration noise, while the suspension and brakes have been specifically enhanced. Driving excitement and sporty sensations are evoked without compromise on ride comfort, making it a perfect partner for everyday enjoyment. A powerful and proven 2.8-liter engine, introduced to the Hilux range in 2020, provides response and vigor, no matter the requirement. Delivering 204 Nm/150 kW and 500 Nm of torque, it is matched to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Exterior design. Always a commanding presence, the GR Sport 2 elevates the Hilux to a stylish new level. A dynamic, imposing demeanor from all angles signifies an unrivaled sense of purpose, accentuated by the red coil springs and colored monotube suspension, standing out in black at the front and red at the rear, alongside bold black over fenders. That striking look is emphasized by new 17-inch black alloy wheels, delivering impressive aesthetics combined with eye-catching red brake calipers. They contribute to performance too. A large rim area reduces aerodynamic drag while an ultra-efficient central spoke trims wheel weight. Marking the Toyota Hilux GR Sport 2 out from the crowd is a variety of premium exterior design details, such as the black G-mesh front grille featuring classic Toyota name logo, black side step, mirrors and door handles. Silver-colored protective front underguard, black rear bumper and distinctive GR Sport logos complement an evocative appearance. Interior design. The Toyota Hilux GR Sport 2 forceful sense of purpose is mirrored within the cabin, where the pickup's DNA as an authentic performer with sporting heritage is underlined. A black, monochrome theme creates a stylish feel and is accompanied by bold red accents, such as the contrasting red seat belts, to emphasize the motorsport passion behind the GR Sport identity. Paddle controls add the option of manual shift selection, and aluminum sport pedals complete the experience. Black suede and leather sport seats, with silver stitching and perforation, elevate the interior appearance and provide exceptional comfort as well as a better grip, minimizing sliding when the occupants experience higher lateral forces. Completing the high-quality look and feel of the Hilux GR Sport 2 cabin is a new hydrographic ornament on the door trim and dashboard, which also features GR details on the information display and instrumentation. The Hilux GR Sport is fitted with the latest Toyota Smart Connect multimedia system operated using a 8-inch touchscreen display. A permanent, icon-based menu is presented on the driver's side of the display. Users can also connect their smartphone or tablet to the system, both wired and wirelessly if using Apple CarPlay registered trademark or with a wired link for Android Auto registered trademark. The multimedia package includes access to cloud-based journey navigation, which uses constantly updated real-time traffic event information for accurate and efficient route planning. There is also an embedded navigation system that can be used when no data connection to the cloud is available. There is further convenience with any future software tweaks or upgrades delivered seamlessly over the air, via the car's Data Communications Module, DCM. This means there is no need for the car to be taken to a workshop for a system update. Likewise, the system can be used to update software in the Toyota Teammate/Toyota Safety Sense. Technical changes. Hilux is world-renowned for its go-anywhere off-road capabilities and dependability, and the latest model strengthens that legacy. An increase from 29 degrees to 30 degrees of approach angle, and enhanced ground clearance, extend its formidable off-road capabilities. That is achieved via a 20 mm increase in ride height combined with a tread increase of 140 mm at the front and 155 mm at the rear. Aerodynamically, the Toyota Hilux GR Sport 2 takes a no-compromise approach thanks to the new air curtain structure, including a brand new bumper with a functional fog lamp bezel which seeks to optimize drag efficiency and reduce turbulence in the wheel arch. The air curtain is further optimized with the adoption of an Aero Sports bar and deck cover. A smoother, more stable ride over any terrain is assured via dedicated updates designed to further improve handling precision, enhance stability in a straight line and achieve new levels of comfort. A monotube piston replaces the current twin-tube solution, providing better damping performance and faster response in tough conditions thanks to its larger piston area. That helps the Hilux GR Sport 2 navigate undulating or uneven surfaces with confidence and safety. The new lighter 17-inch wheels are equipped with all-terrain tires to enhance grip and overall stability. Precise, powerful braking provides peace of mind thanks to front discs expanded from 16 to 17 inches, and new 15-inch discs on the rear which replace the previous drum brake. Sales of this new version of Hilux GR Sport will start in the first half of 2024, with deliveries at retailers in the second half of 2024.